Hey there, parents and guardians! Today we're diving into how to safely teach your kids to ride a quad bike. Before we start, remember that proper supervision is absolutely essential, and these guidelines are designed for youth-appropriate quad bikes with proper safety restrictions. First things first, let's talk about safety gear. Your child must be properly equipped before getting on a quad. They'll need a DOT-approved helmet that fits snugly with a secure chin strap, paired with impact-resistant goggles or a face shield for optimal protection. They should wear a long-sleeved shirt and pants made of durable material to protect against scratches and debris. Over-the-ankle boots with non-slip soles are crucial for proper foot protection and control. Finally, ensure they're wearing gloves designed specifically for off-road riding. Remember, there's no room for compromise when it comes to safety equipment. Now, let's get your child familiar with the quad while it's turned off. Begin by showing them the key switch and kill switch. These are their primary safety controls. Point out the throttle on the right handlebar and demonstrate both handbrakes, explaining their function clearly. Walk them through the automatic transmission system. Show them the proper sitting position, emphasizing the importance of keeping both feet firmly on the footrests. Have them practice reaching and operating all controls from the seated position until it becomes second nature. Choose a flat, grassy area free from any obstacles for the initial lessons. Start by demonstrating the proper startup procedure while your child observes. Show them the correct starting position and teach them how to maintain a firm but relaxed grip on the handlebars. Emphasize the importance of keeping their eyes up and looking where they want to go, not down at the controls. Begin with the quad in its slowest setting, allowing them to practice starting and stopping in a straight line. Set up some cones or markers to create a simple course for them to follow, helping them develop basic directional control. Once your child has mastered starting and stopping, it's time to progress to more advanced skills. Begin practicing gentle turns at walking speed, teaching them to shift their weight slightly into the turns for better control. Work on developing smooth throttle control to maintain steady speeds. Practice emergency stopping procedures in a controlled environment. As their confidence grows, gradually allow them to increase their speed, but only when they've demonstrated consistent control at lower speeds. Success in teaching quad riding comes down to a few essential principles. Keep practice sessions short to prevent fatigue and maintain focus. Maintain clear, constant communication with your child throughout each session. Make sure to praise good technique and safe decision-making. Never push them beyond their comfort zone, and always prioritize safety while keeping the experience enjoyable. With patience and consistent practice, your child will develop the skills and confidence needed for safe quad riding. Visit us at RiiRoo.com and give your children the gift of supervised, safe outdoor fun while teaching them valuable riding skills.